This muscle makes survival choices in silence and is faster than awareness. It is often treated as a simple tool for taste. But hidden within it is a system that coordinates swallowing, enables speech, monitors texture and temperature, and constantly protects the airway. This is the human tongue. The tongue is a bit unusual in how much it can do. It's made of several muscles that can move separately, which allows it to change shape rather than just move back and forth. That's what gives it such a wide range of motion. Most muscles get breaks. The tongue rarely does. Even when you're not eating or talking, it helps keep the airway in place. When you do eat, it quietly takes over, collecting food, guiding it between the teeth, shaping it for swallowing, and sending it backward at the right time. Almost all of this happens automatically. Taste is only part of the story. The tongue can sense sweetness, saltiness, sourness, bitterness, and umami, but it also picks up on temperature, texture, and irritation. This is why spicy food feels hot and carbonated drinks feel sharp. The tongue is constantly gathering feedback. Another interesting thing about the tongue is how quickly it recovers. Small injuries tend to heal in just a few days, thanks to a rich blood supply and fast cell renewal, even with constant movement. A body part that is always active, constantly sensing, and quick to repair itself is quietly doing a lot of work in the background. The tongue plays several quiet but important roles. One of its main jobs is helping you swallow safely. Careful, well-timed movements guide food and liquid away from the airway, protecting the lungs every time you eat or drink. It also makes speech possible. Clear sounds depend on where the tongue rests and how it moves against the teeth, the roof of the mouth, and the lips. Small shifts in position create different sounds, shaping words and allowing communication to happen. At the same time, the tongue is constantly gathering information. It pays attention to what enters the mouth, noticing texture, temperature, and anything that might signal a problem before swallowing begins. Because of its flexibility, the tongue can protect, communicate, and sense all at once, often without drawing any attention to itself. Because the tongue is sensitive and always exposed, changes can happen from time to time. Some people may notice soreness, mild swelling, dryness, a coating on the surface, changes in taste, or stiffness in movement. Others might experience a burning feeling or shifts in color or texture. These changes aren't diagnoses. They can come from many different things, such as irritation, dehydration, infections, nutrition, medications, or short-term inflammation. That said, it's still wise to pay attention. Ongoing pain, unexplained lumps, lasting changes in color, numbness, or difficulty speaking or swallowing should be checked by a qualified healthcare professional. Reaching out for medical advice is a calm, practical way to understand what the body might be trying to tell you. The tongue reminds us that eating and speaking are complex acts. Every bite is shaped. Every swallow is guided. Every word depends on silent precision. This strange design allows the body to interact with the world safely, moment by moment, without conscious effort. Right now, your tongue is quietly shifting its position. It's noticing temperature. It's keeping things balanced inside your mouth. The tongue does much more than taste. And when it sends signals that feel unfamiliar, they're worth paying attention to and, if there's uncertainty, having checked by a professional. Unassuming. Essential. Always working behind your words. Thanks for taking a moment to watch. If anything stood out or made you wonder, feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below. Liking, sharing, and subscribing helps us continue creating calm, curious explanations. Until next time, stay curious.